Dive into the world of e-commerce as we explore Shopify and Temu, two significant players in the industry. Shopify, a Canadian-based giant, is a leading e-commerce platform that caters to businesses of all sizes. It offers a range of features that make selling online, in-store, and on-the-go a breeze. On the other hand, we have Temu, a rising star in the e-commerce world. Packed with innovative features, Temu helps businesses to thrive in an online environment by streamlining their operations and providing them with the tools they need to grow. Both platforms are lauded for their ease of use and scalability. Whether you're a small business just starting out, or a large enterprise looking to expand your online presence, Shopify and Temu have got you covered. They offer a variety of features tailored to suit your business needs, from inventory management to marketing tools and beyond. Now that we have a basic understanding of Shopify and Temu, let's delve deeper into Shopify's performance. Shopify, a giant in the e-commerce sphere, boasts impressive statistics that underline its success and reach. This platform has truly transformed the way businesses operate online, with an astounding 1 million merchants from around the world choosing Shopify to power their e-commerce endeavors. Think about that for a moment. 1 million merchants, each with their own unique products, customers, and stories, all brought together under the Shopify umbrella. This impressive figure is a testament to the versatility and robustness of the platform. Now let's talk numbers. By the close of the previous fiscal year, Shopify had generated an impressive $20 billion in gross merchandise volume. That's a staggering amount of business conducted through Shopify, underlining its critical role in global e-commerce. In terms of revenue, Shopify recorded over $2 billion in the last fiscal year alone. This figure has been on an upward trajectory, reflecting the growing number of businesses choosing Shopify as their preferred e-commerce platform. Beyond these numbers, Shopify has been instrumental in the success of numerous businesses around the globe. From small craft stores to large retailers, Shopify has provided the tools and support needed to thrive in an increasingly competitive online marketplace. These impressive statistics illustrate Shopify's substantial impact on the e-commerce industry, but how does it compare to Temu? Now, it's time to put Shopify and Temu side by side and see how they stack up against each other. First off, let's talk about pricing. Shopify offers a range of plans to suit different needs, from a basic plan for those just starting out to a more advanced plan for larger businesses. On the other hand, Temu uses a different approach with a single plan that scales as your business grows, making it easier to budget for. When it comes to features, both platforms have plenty to offer. Shopify excels with its comprehensive suite of e-commerce tools, including robust inventory management and seamless integration with major social media platforms. Temu, however, stands out with its focus on user experience, offering an intuitive interface and easy-to-use design tools that make setting up an online store a breeze. Ease of use is another important factor. Shopify's interface is user-friendly, but it does have a steeper learning curve, particularly for those new to e-commerce. Temu, in contrast, is designed to be easy to navigate, even for beginners, with a streamlined setup process and clear, concise instructions. Finally, we can't forget about customer support. Shopify provides 24/7 support via phone, email, and live chat, ensuring help is always at hand. Temu's support, while not available round the clock, is highly praised for its quality and responsiveness. As we can see, both Shopify and Temu have their own unique strengths, making them both viable options for businesses looking to succeed in the e-commerce industry.